We are about to phone our lucky winner of the 1.3 million Mount Lawley apartment. So John, I'm going to dial and you can do the honours, okay?
Okay.
Hello, Hannah speaking.
Hi, Hannah. My name's John. I'm one of the directors from MSWA. I've got Chris here, who's one of our MSWA clients, and he's got some news for you. I'm just going to hand over to him.
Oh, okay, thank you.
It's all good news, Hannah. You're the winner of the $1.3 million Mount Lawley apartment. Congratulations.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
We all are, Hannah. This is Melanie, the CEO. Yes, we are.
I'm thrilled. This is amazing.
This is the first time you bought a ticket in the MSWA lottery, isn't it?
This is wonderful, and thank you for the work that you do as well. It's such important work.
Chris, do you want to say something about the work that it does?
It does make a fantastic difference. I also have MS, and I look forward to catching up with the housewarming party.
You definitely, all of you, have an invite.
Thank you, Hannah, and bless you for buying a ticket on behalf of the community that we exist to help. It makes a big difference.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hannah. Congratulations, and yeah, thanks for your support.
Thanks a lot.
Welcome to your new apartment.
This is crazy. I don't know. This is incredible. Yeah. Far out. I don't know where to look.
So the kids could chill out here.
I'm sorry, this doesn't feel real.
And the double story makes it seem, I don't know, I've never really seen an apartment like this one.
Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Yeah. Sorry, is there a time limit that I have? I just think I'm gonna.
This is yours now.
This is amazing.
I'm
almost too scared to touch.
Hello, we're here with our early bird winner, Hannah. Firstly, congratulations again.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you were doing when you received that life-changing call from Melanie, our CEO?
I'd just come back to my desk from a meeting and I thought that there might be a wrong number or a parallel universe that I'd suddenly entered. This is amazing.
How will it change your life?
Incredibly. It means that my kids and I will be set up. It makes a really big difference to our lives. So thank you.
Amazing. And what would you say to someone considering to buy a ticket?
Just do it. It's for a good cause as well. So I think that was actually one of the things that made me eventually get one. Was I thought, it actually goes to a really great place, really important community service. So it was an easy decision in the end.
Oh, amazing. Well, we can't do what we do without supporters buying tickets, so thank you for buying a ticket.
And congratulations again.
Thanks so much.
Don't forget there's still a $3.7 million City Beach house to be won.
Plus $250,000 in life-changing cash.
It's got an incredible infinity pool, entertaining area just before Christmas, which is a good little detail.
Definitely.
Awesome views and a designer kitchen.
It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 5-minute walk to the beach.
You can get your lottery tickets now at mswalottery.com.au.
Thank you for your support.
And good luck.